Good afternoon, everyone. Ang Dimasa Scholars League Niprang, Ishikrim viewers ke Gaham Phairi Ladu, Dinini Ibu online discussion series ni 9th session jama, Ani Bumu Sneha Longmai Lai, Ang CLC, Delhi University ha Law Puridu. Dinini jini topic jakhala cybercrime and internet security. Skala jin kribo meets to internet din dakhna bishli important jakha jini hi. हम शिनिंग कॉमन जाखा ओदे है इंटरनेट नि इम्पैक्ट हमबा गदिबो दं ओदे हमया गदिबो दं हमबा गदि जाखाला इंटरनेट नि फ्रांजिंग गिबिन गिबिन इंफॉर्मेशन माइदु ओदे हमया गदिबो दं बो जाखाला दिन दाखना गिबिन गिबिन टाइप नि साइबर क्राइम ओदे सोशल मीडिया फ्रॉड जादु चिकाला जिंग दिनी इबो टॉपिक हानिंग डिस्कस खाइमा दिनी जिनी स्पीकर जाखाला गदिमा जे कावेरी खिम्स दावला गुफु Senior Legal Advisor in Legal Risk Management, Finance Industry. Dua ang jini speaker ke welcome khlai ladu and ani mic ke yaw phaladu.
Thank you, Sneha. Ani mane volume audible click nikai dada. Hello. Volume audible cha nahi dada. Acha dai. Tuna banskar ani rakisha dine network issues cha hidong ba unfortunately. So I'm sorry for that. So I'll try mane doha Japan mane. Thank you, Sneha, for the introduction. Era clip, era payara, era joint hero, jinkensini, which clip kabangani hamjoma, hashamari ladu. Thank you. Saturday afternoon, hani time kaikoba, ibu session nekainada. Without much ado, dini topic, like Sneha said, ibu, it's about cybercrime and internet security. Sekabo ibu topic only actually vast. 40 to 45 minutes ha ili bada ma topic ke like ili gidi topic ke complete kai mane khai dadala it won't be doing justice to the topic. So bani ang nadi bawat skadi ang focus ani area of focus dini cybercrime in the area of internet banking or the cybercrime in the area of social media. Ibu magin na baskari ibu magin ding ani bautai ha ibu magin ding most relevant sa base jini age and society ha doha gobani ibu magin ke ang mane kisha like I mane kisha points do highlight lema mijing laba in the areas of internet banking jini daknala natsima with like natsima Genie world really digitalized chakha. Everything is like at the tip of your fingertips. Mane buchu krip jati ke nini mobile ni application prang or the hai nini la jalangka bu computer ni application prang buchu prang ni krip jati la dinaknala mane access jadu. Obani technology bili bangdao uli ning jini mane crime bo mane crime ni given let's do facade bo bangdaw lang ladu skang la forgery demand draft theft jaba accounting fraud pushing jaba skam dilak nala digital jatar khabani crime ni ju bo mane scope bo bangdaw lang la because mane jini country la is not as developed as the western world ubani jini hala cyber crime to jaya ba to like them recent or they have unfortunately India hamushiboli law giri ko legal recourse giri ko mane cyber crime ke amshi thedera deal hai mane jaladu mane jini banking sector hadong ladu jini RBI ni rules and regulations dong ladu jini banking regulation act of 1949 dong skabo ibu butu cyber crime ke amshi thedera in the context of information technology okay deal hai mane thedera du samshi in writing mushibo constitution ala hamshi giri ko ubani tuhala sikabo mane we rely mostly on jini mane law jigri labat sikabo jini information technology act uramprang ning jing by ni recourse la fudu cyber crime jakat skala budi next course of action legal action bede jama go to kejing information mane jini information technology act sidong go bu urani section 66 khali mashishing section dong ba that is section 66 urahaning krip jati jini bili social media chala jini banking ha theft chala through the computer and software malware bu section haning mindo ba jini are naimat skala e-banking fraud la na jiri na la online banking la anything that has to do with net banking, internet banking, virtual banking urahani e-banking fraud jabashe buke mainly e-banking fraud ha do hagra ke connection mobile la herbala yaba message phaidu like the most common din apna dwariksha awareness ta phai khats kab starting hala the most common form of mane e-banking fraud hala bujare emails phaire ki you won lottery main kha herba lottery nang kha ni ode he bu lottery ni rang ke main mane khai da let's do ili phusha dila so and so it can amount to 10,000 to 25,000 ode jada da bilish bung diu phusha kha na ban skala skang skang hala shaw shwali mitsia email mindu authentic source sai nudu scanning go shung ro bo account phusha dang shing ladu ode he trace ta lang ladu phusha ke rang ke mushi trace ta lang ladu bu ekdam common mashi mabajaba at the starting of cyber crime jin country ha go most of the one of the most common mane fraud jaba ode he buni hon haja kha jar ke bank ni shibun stada impersonate khai dada phone thaima ode tsma ki ang ibu SBI imprang siba mostly bunchi government banks asia wa ya bunchi private bank ke ya wai du in like bunchi it's for HDFC ICICI imprang phone thaima ode he nini loan sanction jakha bun he da details nang du uli shankha lang du bunchi ade ode he mostly nari jadu ska de herbala yaba asaba platform habo mashi loan apply khai du jodi because loan is the most common application herbala yaba mashi platform ma loan ne thada apply khai khats kaning muchin mashi database dong ladu bu database from anybody kisha computer knowledge dong yaba shubu bu database from bu shubu ni basic details ke khai ko fudu buni bumu chala kha buni phone number chala kha buntu details ke khai ko fudu bunchi khai ko dada all they have to do is ninke phone try lama nishike phone try hada gotsma ki nishin application main kha ba ili ani details read scanning shmurau ni awareness di dikha skala bunchi bu details tuke ri lawa che butuk hai और है ibuke jing mane most of us jing la educated shibung ko bani jing butuke jing baudu ili la jaya si mane let's do people are aware of the paula do ska boning indian population can especially in the rural areas do habo jini dakna bodi ma sau ha bili shibung rao mane dube chala do bunchi baudu ki bank of phone khai bang la lo ne pack khai kha do la khet joji pusha sing rima nang lama so uli jamani chances lama bangbi na ban skare shungro aware jaya shungro baudu angla bu bank ka sing apply khaiba bu bank ka sing ani details tong lama ko bani angke phone khaiba bunch let's do rang hainang ang lising rang haima nang ba go ulia bu jadi details abre rang haima nising garau niya garau kin ska bu nini pura account details mis thar lang la kha ningjang shali dada account details main thar kha or it's kala in future bun ha information dong thar do nishini asaba rang habla salary habla that person has access pura details ke khai ko tharma ne yahon habo so ere nidaw ya ki doha rang dong kasing durang kama ba ere nidaw ya it can be like future reference abo bun bushmuni ha pura ni identification dong tharma she uli ban khai dada jindak na naji khai ka RBI ni guidelines dong ni shibo aspa online transaction khai nei do doha dinap na la nadi hatai jimane saushi phone asing fingertips yaw manang ba khet jati phaitha la du lo hani ulis kaning na jadu ning Paytm use khai du ning Google Pay use khai du ning Airtel payment bank use khai du bangbi ili mane payment modes la bangbi buku ke use khai kat kaning nini lamashi already in the mane larger scheme of mane database hala nini details la krit dong thar du bubuchu ke khai ko hama ne hackers raula it will mane buchne matter of 10 seconds an khai ko thar funa omani RBI ni mandate na ji bunchi precautions mane public ne khai da precautions kana nadi khai do bunchi most common precaution la man da two factor authentication ke 2FA bunacha kha nishi aspa ke transaction khai pa nishi ni ha OTP phainang usually OTP ke nishi leading OTP share khai manang la fre leading herbala yaban de phone phaidang phone ha ladi if mane you are the correct person dial hash boli asa mashi phainang bo mashi second phase of authentication koli phaidu skala ili jang mashi mane banking sector ha jarni let's do transactions butu keksha ning mirik dada yawai fudu and ubani she KYC klaima एकदम important jaba many people bunchi KYC ke importance riya bunchi baudu our bank athangma journey address proof rima dinala bank abo thangma nang roya online chingling website athangma address proof rima photo ID rima Aadhaar card number rima bisli shibung you know jingklai du bani jing baudu malai khayas ko there are so many people bunchi KYC details update klaya ba khaila nei kha starting ha bunchi anatsidu starting abunchi bank account kruba bena KYC update khela nei do but then buke update klaya address change junction update klaya phone number update jaya skala bunat chado bu jar nening loss na ban skala bu tu update jaya shila bu two factor authentication jaya ba jinis ta nang na ban skala database ani ni details on nang nia updated details so that is mane bu much precaution la for banking fraud ha another precaution is journey mobile phone ha सब समय space dilating aswa dilating माने given app kids का वो delete है का वो it is very important कि journey mobile हा निंग antivirus निया खादे firewall install थैला वो के माने virus mobile आ हब माने it's very easy माने माने आसमा निंग वाशी wrong link click खाया हा virus हब फुडू Odeshinia, like we can all managing people careless at once in a while. Or they handing ham she log out do banking app use baha. Or the bahal phone in stolen jalang ladu. Or they book to antivirus on nia, firewall dong nia, skala nini protection mashi, nini details ni protection dong ya babutu. Bubutu managam sensitive data jalang ladu. Mane kisha khai dada sherban khai it becomes a very big sensitive data go buktu ke nekhai dada mane jini gedem prang feasible jinis butu jing nadi ka khai la fudu buktu la goili antivirus firewall butu ke download khai la or reliable sources it's aswan email khai ka kan email ke link ta khuru especially in terms of bank ni prang khaya ba butu these are all related to jini banking fraud ha dada or de ibuni a bangbi mane recourse aswa ja hakat skala offense ka jaka mane god forbid asa mashi banking fraud jaka next step na dits kana by law answal skangat spalaiding ki uli jashi recourse la bangya mane to hala cyber crime ni khela trace khai mane ning mashi hindrance chado okay trace khai mane ning mashi gidi mashi next to stumble block gobani trace hai baning dubi sika bo as a general layman aspa ja hadu grapin sika banking fraud with ja dutskana let's do first and foremost bank ke contact hai dada and then even before you do an FIR it is advisable that ning bank ke phone like obani jarni phone ha crypto let's do ningnari bank deal haiba ko buni customer care number ke save haidong lama nangu every time like anytime something mane malware function ja khats karing jani bank ke phone khai dada bunchi ke first and foremost bu transaction ni data ke haima shani dada buni hona FIR lodge lai funang ko buni hona shening legal recourse lama ska bula fuba lamas kare ibu buto already set mane dong tharma nangu aspa mane legal course lama ne khai dada mane ibu butu let's do cyber crime ha larger scheme of theme ha ibu cyber crime ha ibu butu la khashibi garau mane let's do crores and crores mane involved in cyber crime hala mane for public life butu la khashi mane gidi scheme of things anai mat kana la khashiba ya ba garau sikabo on a more personal note jani personal thanai la mat kala ibu butuh jenis jinela careful jilong manangba mane we don't have to overwhelm ourselves with larger cyber crime of things khai dada jine khai dada la bo ibu jini jani own precautions ne aro de ibu butula dohala mane ekdam common areas of crime jaka especially now doha ibu lockdown ni hon ha ibu that's physical crime it's very less everything clip jadi digital jata tha obani clip jadi crime bo it has mane ibu butu digital shape ala thra ka crime butu obani ibu butu khela jingla we have to be more aware or they have I think mane go dima hasaw ha bo 11 ni cyber crime ni awareness kisa sungrong ha dongma nangbo naman skala basic principles ang nubala skala duhala change mo jala nai kat skabo ang nubala skala basic principles like ATM machine haning bunchi mushi yatsidu journey personal space ekada mushi distancing maintain kaya the other person thaladu nini ATM pin naji mushung mit thaladu nini nade ning bili rang khai ko khau khali mushung mit su nini balance bili dong nini account ha go uliya mane I'm not saying ki urani small cyber crime thai nang but you never know ili mane small steps dong she kre ning larger awareness labu dada crime to stop thai fuba that is mane that's my thinking gobani shibung rau ke awareness rimanang do you know ki ibu banking details एकदम personal share itu ke share thai mania ibu ke use thai mane anytime you know misuse chala ma share that having said that mane technology ni khai dada la jile bai ni khushi buthula bai ni mane subita jata kha jini life ha so it's all about like you know mane jini precautions ting bedela la do or the jini nadi law nadi do now that we're clear ki law cyber crime ni khai dada uli dong do ya so I think jine all the more reason to be more protective of our personal data do ha de na stade given cases like janang niya ki ani aspai deja how de case mane I want to file a case nina proof ning dong ya hats kala illegally case la kisha kaisi jalang ladu so that is one aspect of cybercrime given aspect jamu ka jini social media now social media ili rampant jini society ha it is very very difficult to trace nazi ke ning social media ning nazi ke ning crimes na ore nazi ke ni crime mania ko ke bu fase ke buji mane khai dada ekdam debates cha phalamdo ore he because and mashi dip mane go one of the drawback ja kha jini ha law given khai dada wo debate jala ba but even otherwise also common example do halanang jini Facebook ha pherbat do you know Facebook ha upload khai ba butu data hereni data bubutu mane these are the main points of debate in Facebook angra upload like first and foremost being sensitive and any like you know religious views ka hamper thaya ba data bubutu that need not be ningu herani data that in itself is a violation mane bubutu la ning aspa ke herbani ke ning defamation ni ke post like herbani political ni aspa machigo defame like bula simat skala bula by itself is wrong by in itself it is a criminal crime under the Indian Penal Code. Obani bune khai dadala there's no like you know cyber crime ajanjala do it's also criminal offense. But I'm talking of ning ramsa photo upload like bu photo ke ning let's do nini jani copyright. Now cybercrime in social media ha jini copyright ni karabo by go phatu and copyright ke lamas kala copyright in itself is another topic that mane will take like you know a bigger topic in itself. Sika bo copyright in mane Facebook ha bede yawai dus kare Facebook ni mashi term dong mashi policy term dong. Bukaning anytime when you ning first time ning Facebook page ke open khai baha you always have to accept the terms and conditions. Now scrape bo terms and conditions kella accept khai la bashe wo shin nai aura nini ura actually bo terms and conditions ani pura copyrights nini post la ba here buni owner jama here author jama create rapture do raha mane you know everything is enumerated there or they have mashi very very important term in Facebook is which it's 3.3 sorry 3.3.1 mane bunchi mismonai la funang bu terms and agreements given boundaries ka I think everybody should be aware of that point that is 3.3.1 which in terms of policy hado or the ora how which that is to do ki mane permission to like you own the content that you create what like that's to do like you own the content that you create uni meaning na chaka nini ning nadi post like do nini share that is your copyrighted post like that unless ning help ke share like do skala so you own that content that you create and share on Facebook and nothing in this terms takes away the right you have to own your own content which is a clear clause of copyright. Ning asaba content ning share khai do Facebook ka bunini content che you are the author, you are the copyright owner of that content. Otle itsidu. Sikhabo ibuke tsidu Facebook buchini clause ha against book clause ani sub clause ani which it's been budu. Ki last sentence ha again that is mane ibuni contention of debate irahaning krep jadji Facebook ni debate cha phalang ba se book clause sidu to provide our services, though we need you to give us some legal permissions to use our content. Skala mane nini ha bu rights tong la do ibu nini content ska bu jing ibu ke yawai ma nekhai dada ningbo ane legal right rima nangma ki nini content ke jing yawai funuts dada skala ibu mashi contradictory statement jaka ningang ke sidu ang ibu ke yawai fudu ibu ani content ani ang ning owner of this content again ningang ke spin budu ki ningbo ane legal right ri ang ke yawai manage skala now once I give legal right aspan ebong legal right ri katska ning right it's mane the word right has got mane illi bada ma legal implications alang ladu mane right is just a small word in English literature but in legal terms right la panglang ladu buni scope la skala ode when I say legal right ningane legal right li ke yawai mane khai da skala it means ningane license ri ibu jinis kya ngawe mane ode Facebook mukhe bede yawai do by their feature of sharing and by their feature of like ninge public content kai mana sharing buke ning half longa upload khai da it can be shared across the world in the United States only features buni vasa langla skala so uraha ning braha where does your copyright end where until what time ning nini bu content ke ning jar needs to do so there is unfortunately more clear cut rule giriko mane let's be very honest about it jin hashim niya not just in India anywhere in the world illegal copyright infringement it's so yeah it's cover illegal copyright issues of Facebook nike rusau shi mane debating ja phalangba buni morality buni legality debate ja phalang do Facebook ni recently Mark Zuckerberg bunla pura mane proceedings in jaba US in the US court of proceedings ha sikabo mane it is just a debate mane how shiba buke buni legality ke question thate na banskari buni language ning as such Facebook ni language ning as such ki you are mane ning ke sidun ki ning copyright owner but at the same time we can use your content wherever like you allow us to and we allow them to use that content the moment we agree to be part of Facebook so it's as simple as that holi chahido uska bo doha European regulations formulate ja phalangu especially Facebook YouTube or Instagram ibo matham ni privacy policies ke review ja phalangu European regulations ha and hopefully mane doha Google information but hopefully 2021 ha we will have mane a regulatory body that looks into the privacy policies of YouTube Facebook and Instagram go baha mit sit down ki share ni copyrighted owner mane bilishaw shi Facebook yawai fudu or the bilishaw shi content ke Facebook use like fudu go to clip lay down satarna mashi example mane because it's a very complicated mane debate alang ladu mani mashi example ang set henang iraha 2017 ha Bavaria etc mashi country dong oraha Munich city ha bunchini mashi case aba ode he ibu case ke anytime Facebook ni Facebook ni go ibu privacy policies ke discuss like ba this case is mane always mentioned landmark case it's nang yai bukan abans it did not lay down many guidelines them open ended discussion chai tha what's cover this is one of a very famous cases in the cybercrime sector bu case ha it was about a politician so nadija batskare bu case ha mashi politician mashi event ke attend kheba wo event cha buni lugu event ke host kheba or de he because it was a formal event तो मुझे photographers के लागू कर रहा और है उराहा माशी माने among so many photographs bu politician bu photograph के मुझे Facebook का upload खाइबा without any consent of the friend or the photographer or anything जिंग खाइबा नहीं माने without the consent of the friend bu के Facebook का upload खाइबा Dohanadi Jaka, bu photographer. He was a very famous photographer. Bu su klaiba. Bu mabake. That's true. Bu politician ke su klaiba ki ani photography ke without my permission Facebook upload klaiba. Uraha discussion jaka ki Facebook is such a common platform. Mane let's do urahala mane anybody can post anybody's pictures and all. Sikabo, because Bu photographer was a very famous photographer, or the Bunchini, like, Uramprang Burang Kai Fudu. So his contention was Bu photography Kilabula, public domain display Kailaka, but with that Bu photograph Kilabula, let's do. Say news agency Hari Katskala, Baspa, newsprint Hari Katskala Bula, Uramprang Bula, compensation Mankamo. So Bu angle dong Baurahala. So ubani bu photo bula that's because photographer la he was a well known ubani bula bu case bu compensation mainka but it's not always the case na but well known people bunchine the data upper hand dong these are famous people already bunchine sketching din yawai fia bunchine copyrighted products ke but for the common layman like uli just recourse giri ani photograph ke dakna ang herbala yawai katskala I might mane complain ila fure report khaila fure Facebook how they remove tala fure maximum removing jama Facebook ning report khai katskaling but ning uli compensation mainang niya from Facebook or from anybody else mane mushi compensation because you are not a famous person goli implications are dong ladu sikabo mashi kidneys highlight jabauraha who case ha is that which is of importance to everybody is that ki nini bu aspa boning ignorant your ignorance of law ignorance of facts bu ninghe nari ningbuke mabalafia excuse lafia bu politician butsba angamit siaba I didn't know this photograph belonged to the photographer bu bauba ke it belonged to the friend bu mit siaba but that buke buji bu contention ke bu fight lafia na banskade he was just ignorant ignorance ke ning bakala put sifia ki ang ignore she obani she ang yawe ba obani please save me from all these legal convictions so oba court specifically lay down by anybody who is ignorant of these facts bukening ning excuse lafia so dakna aspa copyright infringement janang for example asaba mane it's very unlikely mane gidi ba janang skabo you can never say aspa gidi ba infringement ja ha Facebook ha ode he ang mitsia ba she ya ba de court ha de valid jaya mane mitsia ya ba ke jing mushik life you have to know mane bude negligence apai lang ladu the negligence ni la given negligence ni given way of dealing with legal action ja lang ladu only these are all connected ning ignorance of law does not provide an excuse wale ning ignorance of something on Facebook ke ning yona ning jani excuse ning valid point lafia ulia ba butu ke kisha mane churo mit sikhats kala because online platform dinak maili common jaha so trebo post hai lang la ba sensitive information jala ba controversial information jala ba anything entertainment purpose nebo bubutu mashi small things can lead to big things mane bubutu gidi mane how shi bawe ya bam gidi mashi issue jalang ladu bubutu ke shunga butu sha aware jamanang do they think if Facebook upload like it's there is a moral obligation shunga ni basau ha ki what you upload is like it should not be jini India ha the mashi common mane krebo mashi common recourse mane asaba ja haka tskaning mashi nadi asba lawyer jala asba layman jala mashi common recourse chadu ki I have the freedom of speech jini constitutional right jini fundamental right article 19 jini freedom of speech to do so freedom of speech I can say anything bubutu mashi factor khailang la do ang ani speech se ang shereba ani mane I own it kala ani ha right to freedom of speech yaba ura habo mashi interesting case jaba bude India hunting jaba I think that was if I'm not wrong I think it was in 2015 ha Shreya Sahai versus Sahaina I forgot the last names kabo Shreya something versus Union of India kada mashi case dong 2015 ha jaba uraha bo bude Facebook ne ni daw yat ko online platform it was about a website uraha ura habu contention ki ning brahasau shinini freedom of speech ke ning brahasau shining lang fudu mane brahasau shining buke extend khai fudu ode braha nini freedom of speech infringe jalang ladu to others rights mane fundamental right like them mane jini much core of constitution ora freedom of speech brahasau shining lang fudu ning brahasau shining buke jani bso apply khai fudu go ora bu case abo decide jaba bu case amongst many things, one of the things we decide jaba jahade ning asaba bonishi rebla bunini right dong he rep mane sikabu the moment it is it is infringing somebody else's right or the national issue jalangla do or the threat to national natsma maji communal violence alanglama or the not just national within geographic region also oraha mashi communal violence mane bu grafen sika mashi propaganda le jalang lama sika de let's do you will be liable to have your content removed ya hade or you might have to criminal action bo jala framing basawa ulama jadi one side of the story is that online content na dika cha rep to bubutu or the photography kela mane stangat balai ning bubutu kela photography ni la unless nini jarni mabadong daw yats kala unless you are a big name compensation uli main man ini photography ki use kai manela go uli usually features dong daw ya kining aspa infringe akas kaning ning nini buli legal recourse main mane uli aba features do dong daw ya ko but that is temporary 2021 ni hon ha let's see laws bide hai formulate chadu bubutu mashi hindrance chahi dong do hala in terms of social media again same is with YouTube content mane Facebook ni content pede uli na YouTube habo uli YouTube and other apps like for example recently because I'm just taking that as an example because recently everybody has been affected by it the ban on PUBG okay mane let's do nadi validity jang the government suddenly banned PUBG shmurao sika ki nadi what's the logic ki integrity nadi ja pau raha so all those kind of things not just PUBG UCB browser bunchini WeChat pangbi bubutu ke ban jatarka or the hai Ibuto ban jaba all because of section 66 of Information Technology Act of India bukesh mane or the as much is for ban jamane in our country one has to understand ki constitutional processes bangbi judicial review jadu 48 hours bishingha ban jaman mane ban jamani application ni 48 hours bishingha points thamanang duna bani ban jama oleba bangbi mane judicial reviews uli jamanang do discussion ban jafu ban all and even after the ban do have PUBG ban jala kha do have WeChat to ban jaka sikabu it's not that it's forever banned judicial review ni process la do have ja palango so depending on review hanaji mindu it can maybe come back to the market again. It's about 66 article section 66 of Information Technology Act na dit rules kade any kind of app uraha content national integrity ke aspa mane hamper khaima ne kheda information refudu scanning bukaning without mane natsma at an emergency level ni buke ban thakla fudu buni yohan na judicial review khamma kare khamla na but at that time in the information aspa information bu apps when ayawi do and they can get to know national integrity ke bu hamper khai duts kare those apps can be banned so bula butu jaha PUBG and the other apps like UCB browser and all butu jaha skabu YouTube Instagram Facebook dusau shila uleba purview wala phaya ko ki national integrity ke threatening khai du khai dada na banska de YouTube habo jala Instagram atskabo jala or Facebook atskabo jala they all these apps have provisions ki anything link content anything that is of that violates national security without consent of the author, without consent of the person who's posting it, delete and you can even block that person. So, wo measures dong ladu YouTube ni ha, Facebook ni ha, or Instagram ni they already have that measures. Obani ulija shila mane ban jalang la mane as for writing of content ulija she situation la phaya in these kinds of social media. Ubadi what is interesting is कि Facebook talks a lot of copyright माने इलेबा content है कि you know कि निंग असला violation जा खत्सकला who is responsible for violating that माने rebel के डरा है responsible जा खत्सकला Facebook इलिश हाली दुनिनी copyright नहीं बरे हा many terms and policies नहीं बरे हा but when it comes to violation of something like communal violence chala they take ownership of nothing. Facebook does not take ownership of anything. They just say your content is your content. Ubane, so then onus again lies on the public. Let's do then in those cases like ning graphics scanning photograph post I do scanning Facebook to anha right dong bukyang further use time mane khai dada mane bu photograph ke nini content ke ang for entertainment purpose ang buke license dong ang buke further use type alang mane khai dada ning also violation mane gospel violation of other constitution as pa ning ke rep buke Facebook do anha you are responsible for that. So overall, Nadit's terms and policies. If you read articles related to Facebook, the page to European Union page you puri do articles puri phalang do Wikipedia information giri, but ning articles puri phalang do nunang ki terms and policies ni language only vague. It is only for their own benefit ne ore jar ni ke. Of course crypto jarni let's do apps ke bede safeguard line ma kela nai ladu but policies ni vague terms of use. You don't even have to go through all the legal policies which in terms of use can I can ora hani contradictory statements boundary and that is the reason why shungrao nimu shimane machi black and white machi picture giri ki ani here content ke un ba here un ma ibu ke ang bere safeguard ma bere safeguard ma mere like ningura hani ni bumu reba jangling content la save chaya ko bubu ke bubutu bale ekdam vague sa thari dong shungrao butu ke mitsia that's why content after content download khai palang do Facebook and Facebook utilizes that information bunchi that's how they earn money bunchi they there was a time when jini data bo bunchi use khai palang la but recently bu mark zuckerberg ni hearing ni hona bunchi ni data privacy ke bunchi kisha ma pakai ka curtail khai ka but even otherwise also bunchi ni माने हेरबाला याबा एकदम legally बाउमाच करे आं नादी content के यावै मा नादी content के यावै यामा बाउखाच करे Facebook ni terms and policies is very vague bujang ning mo si legal course of action mind down ang niya to be very frank do hade so they have to review that to review ka khai da t page cha phalang do discussion cha phalang do so uleba butu ke judicial reviews are phalang do and all and hopefully with the more digital world we are living in and as and when things are growing more on the digital side of the world intellectual property rights copyrights in social media move to clear jada ulang shura butu nadi content ke yawai fudu nadi content bede he jarni copyright ke ni bede he ni safeguard thela funang Facebook upload thai bani ke many people they don't care frankly speaking which nadi upload thai do it doesn't matter and in fact people that shura boundary majority of the people nadi content ke upload thai do they like that to be shared mane angas what I do somebody shares so they like to be shared there's nothing wrong with that in those cases it's a very it's like an entertainment platform problem giri but there are also cases where National Geographic for example National Geographic jani photograph ke upload khai do wo photograph ke ang share khai do as the photograph of National Geographic judges kare because I am acknowledging ang National Geographic ni photograph ke ang ani platform ma share khai ba that is fine sabong National Geographic ni photograph ke ang lada da buke save khai na ani device ore buke ang ani ani page ang buke yawai nang skala unless there is National Geographic ni logo dong nang giri khat skala I can use that photograph as my own photograph skala here trace type fuma so trace type ba ham shining do be in those kind of cases so those are the things that you have to be careful about ding asma upload khai pa you have to understand ki ibu machi depository ha thanglama kha bu photograph so ideal ani personal take away from all the articles that I have read. Ang believe free kaido infringements butuke free dada ani personal takeaway de when you upload something, unless buke ningushi like it's not mane bolish important niya nine dada, but if you're uploading mini click a photograph or whatever, after a certain period of time, delete it. Ning buke ning ubaha ma bakai ma meeting love to publicize it, to to let people know of what you have done. So after a certain period of time, take a look and then okay delete hai pala and mane that once you delete it, bu jam lang ladu bu depository pa. But bugo full proof niya na if you have given the power to share, herbane ever share like that. Another interesting policy of Facebook is that once ning book nini content ke share hai mane herbane rikha so di skade bu shubung nim prang Facebook can have the right to license it. Ang ani photograph jini ang sneha nerika and sneha share like a book hai dakna sneham prang Facebook right mind to license that photograph because Sneha had already shared that photograph from me. So now even though I'm the copyright owner, Facebook has taken my copyrighted product from Sneha and then has the license to share it across the globe. We'll have a clause now. Smaller scheme of things are photograph share but in the larger scheme of things, this is a very, very legal infringement. So these are infringements vague policies having loopholes so and why I'm citing the social media hanabani on Facebook ke site hideout how much Facebook having loopholes found out how much unfortunately, and Facebook having users found out how much and especially now everyone is on Facebook Instagram abo jadu but Facebook ha loopholes mane nai bale bang down. WhatsApp habo bangadu but WhatsApp ni configuration is very encrypted. We don't have the expertise to say ki ibuni programming programming that's not our thing to say, but then as a general thing, WhatsApp ni features, WhatsApp ni for simple thing, WhatsApp rang nini jodi call do. Skade ni buka trace like via. That I think that most of you know it. It's very difficult to trace the calls from WhatsApp. One going back to what I started, phone banking, most of the calls come from WhatsApp numbers. Trace and because it is difficult to trace, it is encryption so that's why it is very difficult to trace. But Facebook is not like that. Facebook machine topic easy access and user friendly. Most complication upload photographs, like dislike one side it is user friendly, another side exposed to a lot of threats. Youngsters especially the most exposed to threats are minors around threat Facebook because they have got no trend society half long young school at Facebook phone upload content. So and you can't hold them liable. As far upload as far personal jinis ke upload and depository or older people not retired they get bored technology they get very interested they upload things which ani ani amai she's on Facebook. One fine day I got a request from her. I freaked out. I went from Facebook request I found it sweet too. But the thing is, it's our responsibility and our duty to make them understand implication privacy policies so it is I think as a responsibility of the more responsible people who have more awareness of these things. I think we should keep a check on our family members ki bin chinadi kacha content upload khai du khaya anchara khauro kubutu so I don't know. I think I must have exceeded a lot of my time in a hearts. One gets carried away when you talk about social media and internet banking and all. But ini stada ang dedwa I ang ibu ke discussion ke open house ding lanang. Asmani has questions tong do shingman ang skala adi more than uh, maba. I have another one.
Abhi, you have a question from Monali Longmailai.
Yeah.
Several FB users share their photographs on Dimasa dance or dress or cultural artifacts which are not copyrighted in the photo, although they are the owners of the content. But there are many other users who save the photo and reshare those pictures as if they own the copyright. This has happened several times in FB. How to tackle this kind of issue?
Okay, so thank you, Monali. I think them relevant questions, especially in our community. I think this is one of the most relevant questions, and thank you for posing it to me. Um, uh, Let me just begin with a very negative word here. Unfortunately, no? Unfortunately, let's do when a photograph is shared. Duni nini copyright don't know ya or they have copyright in the sense like you need not. Okay, first and foremost, first thing copyright don't man dada need documentation don't nang daw ya. Anything ning aspa rep do scanning you automatically own the copyright to that product or um, uh, to that content. Bude machi general ruling in terms of law also. Copyright kaya ning documentation nung naman nang patent nang do but not for copyright. So ning asal machi photograph ning solely ning lakha or ning buke post like ka. So by default in legal terms you are the copyright owner of that photograph. Sanghang walay ning Facebook ni policy dong ki whenever ning aswa ke post thai do which it's true it is your ownership. That is one aspect. Another in the same policy Buni last line up that's how legal language works. Which needs to do or the last time tweak like one line that that this integrates the entire meaning. Jalang ladu. Ora ha Facebook sidu ki ning nazi content ke post hai ba ning jine rights redo okay to be used further. So it's like copyright area. Copyright is a something. So copyright you own it. Copyright is a different topic. Copyright area. It's ning Facebook ne license redo to use that photograph. And when I say Facebook ne, I mean the users. Ning users ne, ning already you have given license to the users to use that to use your photograph. So when you have already ning Facebook upload khai bani meaning ning jaka ning malai ne right reply cut as a license, but copyright is your own copyright. So maybe you can Shrungrao infringement time kada nadi kaja khai do which is not really very helpful. Smats kade bun chijarni watermark use khai do ba let's do Rabai habumu rabdu ki it can't be shared without deleting that. Use but that's not a foolproof thing. Once your photograph is there, you can't really say ki malay use bukan aja any legal right. Unfortunately, you can't help it. The Facebook rules is very tackle haimane you ask you should get better tackle haima to tackle haimane it's only about your own awareness you needs to kinini photograph rubber use saka. So all you can do is at the most you can request somebody please do not copy this or picture courtesy please give crediting that photo or else you can delete it or ask somebody else to delete it or report it. That's the best thing you can do right now. So Facebook nimprang sharing options you can't really help it. The platform is such. So one jar ni basa wase ning jar na de content ke ning copyrighted ke dada ning deng lawa mijing do or the nazi ke ni share khai mane ke dada ning nari ke paula do. So it's upon yourself. I hope it kind of resonated to the question that you asked.
Duha ar mashi question dong from Rudon Jidung. Dini society ha legal aspect very important se every field ha dang lakhabo jing layman shubungne correspondence course in law khlaihi advocate or other job aspects ha bishli scope dongbo correspondence course ni hamba institute nadi dongbo.
Thank you, Rudon. Okay, first and foremost, like hamba karao कि you are interested कि legal profession, a legal field actually interest ripan dada. I think it's a good field. Like there are lots of learning and everything. और det है as correspondence in law dong. There are many colleges and universities which do correspondence in law. But I passed out in 2009, Bugera Delhi University in Prang. Since then, I don't know, Pangdao la nekha, but any information because I'm not very much academic side halang only just any field niya. Skabong mits balay it's like ijang gedela Bangbi universities. There are many recognized universities. Maybe ning ang jang connect hai do separately. Skalang universities in bumun in every funa. Bunchi correspondence in law. Courses redo it's dada. Skabo from my own personal experience silabang that is entirely up to you how you take that. Ang bauladu ki law ke like ning buke full time course like that it's one of the best professions and one of the most fulfilling professions cha jawdong nang naban skade ning correspondence course abun china dikhai do bun chini books after books materials after materials rila right and book study klaima and then let's be very frank buke ning kali puri baha it's very boring like sections after sections after sections buke much buji kang it's very boring but when you attend classes nishi okay practical use cha do ning codes at hang do ning internship kai do ning moot codes cha do and all so it's more lucrative ning graukins ka ning law ha ning graukins ka it's ning ba sherbale ya ba whoever in your known circle wants to pursue law fully as a profession then I think rather than correspondence Guwahati abo options bangde and many places in Assam options bangde in Delhi also skala buke full time kai skala it's like much more feasible or they have correspondence like that list of universities ang nina haifunang if you can connect with me on messenger or elsewhere ang buke haifunang nina universities ni buke I hope this is helpful.
Mr. Satyajit Daula Gufu, question Mashi Haiba, Boja Khala. If you are the actual owner of the photos and videos and you have initially shared with others, then your camera details timestamp is embedded as a metadata in every single photos and videos. This information is helpful for the people who do forensics.
Definitely. And I think this is a very, very important point that he has highlighted. Of course, for cyber crime, like forget about Facebook or anything. Cyber crime, not just Facebook, internet banking habo. Forensics is one of the major subtitle related to cybercrime. Nini asma information bo ning mashi data like I said mashi data has stored jahidu asma jinis you can pull out any kind of data but having said that for smaller copyrighted products like asma mashi public tang mashi information mashi upload khaika or they have buke buni information ka khaiko man dada ili larger scheme of ili larger procedure la herening lama unless it is very very important you have to like details khaiko ma then buni forensic study jama lab hangma then the like lab buni study dada buni report khaima and all those kind of things those are like very technical technical jinis but then yes you can always find that out buni copyrighted it is in the form of a digital equipment krep jaziniya grausa aspa go buts balaining cameras bitu wala dong thala do krep jazi bunchini khali time so shi mai bai go fudu date your time bitu bai go thar fudu odhe da skabo again butu khai ko dada bo contention jamaning skala like you will also have to prove that the camera belonged to you. You'll also have to prove that the camera was not stolen. মানে boundary মানে even if there is a recourse, it is মানে only just shilling vast buke khai koma ne buke ma baja mane use apply khai mane khai dada. So in the end it really does not mane feasible ja jaw do ya shmora. So it's in the end it only comes down to one thing, that we ourselves have to be careful about our copyrighted content. But having said that, I do agree with him कि माने इबु बुथु information वो खाइ को माच करे खाइन खाइ को फुलु, like by means there are means possible, and there are dedicated teams, there are forensic scientists, and there are bodies like, so who actually look into all these sciences, mashi science. So that's also one of the ways of finding out nini data bakhali store jaba ba brang pai go ba source ke khai ko manela. It's an important thing, but it'll only be able to source it out. It won't actually herenia right dong herenia right giriba. It can't really like black and white mabak khai nang niya decide khai dong nang niya. And
Dua ar mashi question dong from Monali Longmai Lai. Boja Khala, many of us are using apps for online mode during the pandemic. Can firewall detect the virus and the hacking activities that can happen while using these apps?
Definitely, and I think firewall there, it is one of the most one of the best precautionary methods to safeguard your personal information. Firewall, antivirus, given to Norton Norton security. You to mane it's almost compulsory to download it. Shimora butu it took a importance to have space you do mashwagin halab they take money also, but most of them are free. Skabo pusha mane rimana katskabo it safeguards your phone. Or they have as for virus cyber crime jamani sanga it's mostly it's through virus only. Nini information hangtar lama OTP na ngeda da information hangtar lama butu into nadi khai do any field lania that's do it firewall and antiviruses any field lania. This is like very scientific. Skabo what I know is that you butu jini phones and laptops do ke safeguard leading you from external risks. Ning nuna aspa time ning download khai nang laptop ha ba phone ha nina antivirus dong use kada it will always prompt you download jama kha, do you think it is safe. Likewise, asaba malay nimprang download time about information bede thangba. Information can only be downloaded unless you give it directly on the phone. But malay ninke phishing jado. Phishing is spelled as PHISHING. Phishing jaba bede jaba. It is true viruses only. Nini computer ke hack khai do, nini mobile ke hack khai do. So phishing jaya ma nekhai dada. Antivirus, firewall. These are the these are like the tools to stop it. This is like I think very very helpful, and I think download hemanang rele jetsi programming buchu
hai. Do question Mashido Rakinai Ding Niprang Article 66A of IT Act used Klaihila, PUBG, etc. ke ban Klaika, while recently Anki Das of Facebook ni against Habo similar allegations Jaba. And like you said, Euro brand had a Facebook lahi are bini controversies dong naidu. So 66A ni rational la Facebook ni case ha apply janang niya. What are your opinions on that?
Okay, I think this is a very interesting question, and Rakhi, thank you for this, because mostly Jini Graukin Saka ili debate jadu regarding Information Technology Act 66A, Information Technology Act in essence 66A in terms of cybercrime. Whenever we have discussion regarding cyber threats or any industry, right now I'm from the finance industry. So finance industry whenever we talk of Indian legal context, 66A is always a point of debate. Within our fraternity also, it's always a point of debate, and it's always interesting to see different opinions regarding 66A. Dohaning 66A hedging applied in Facebook. In a very in a one word answer, yes, apply like that's the most feasible answer. But again, because we are talking of the legal scenario here, there are a lot of ifs and buts attached. Nadi ja uskare 66A ha, it talks of like one of the main things that it talks of is about uh, who, national integrity and that's anything that violates asbabo national issue jakat skashe bu direct get banned like lafuba like communal disharmony aswa jala fure ba um, anything that can sensitive information that can lead to chaos in the country, for example, and that can threaten the integrity and the security of the country. Integrity mashikdam, it's a very that's a keyword in 66A integrity use kaya. So now what exactly can be termed as integrity? So Facebook now when you're asking whether whether 66A in irrational Facebook or nadi jana. So Facebook anything that is integrity um, related issues of course you can ban only that content. But unlike PUBG, I mean, if I understand your question correctly, unlike PUBG, you cannot ban entire Facebook because PUBG ni nadi review ha dong ba buke de anggo. Frankly, I don't know. Like it's not out in the open. We all know from news and national because China is such a sensitive topic right now. Shnura butuja she maybe they are not disclosing the fact, but nadi jabani PUBG WeChat buke ban thaiba. Everybody is saying it's because of under 66A ha buke implement thaiba. That's the only contention by the government. And 66A Hanari Jaban Shaiba because it is hampering the integrity and security of the country. Information is going to China or Etsiba. But Facebook does not operate that way. Facebook, on the face of it, it's not bunching data it is more maybe I can't compare it with PUBG because I don't know how PUBG's encryption works. So Facebook ni data which any privacy policies, which is almost it's clear and it's just vague. They are transparent, but in the transparency it's a little vague. There is another thing, but bunchi integrity ke hamper they already have steps. They ask people to report it, then they delete them, and then they have steps to safeguard the information that is being shared. They have dong. Maybe it is not there in PUBG. So 66A can only be implemented if there is threat to national security, which I don't think it is for Facebook. So it can be implemented if tomorrow somebody finds case Facebook link content only just sharing man communal violence ke propagate it is banned or like for example Facebook is not used in China to my knowledge. Geographically they can impose like 66A does not exist in China, but maybe they have another article. So in India, they have the power to ban Facebook. 66A ke apply that is there. But frankly speaking, I don't think it's going to happen, is what I mean. I hope this is helpful.
Dua Ashaba questions dong coach kade. I think questions Greeneka doha chikala doha ibu session ke conclude klaidu. The Dimasa Scholars League niprang ang Kaveri abi ke journey khushidang klehi iraha time ribani klehi thanks riladu. Ode ibu program ke attend klayarao crib viewers ke bo thanks riladu. Jutai.
Angbok ani girefang sa baula ba krip boirajni mane paitha. Some of them joined later on. Thank you for coming, and a special thanks to DSL for giving me the opportunity. When Rakhi had first called me, I was like, I thought it was a very, very good platform, like Kripo Jani, whatever they know from their field of work, which is shared like, I think it's a very good platform. Ang Pauladuk is going forward, and I think it's a very good and informative platform for all the Dimasa community. And keep it up. I wish you all the best, and thank you once again. Thank you, Rumi. I just saw. Thank you.
Alcanza todo.